When I came here, this landscape was very new to me, and I started walking, and maybe the first route was to Alendo. But I started to work. This isn't finished work. I started maybe a couple of weeks ago to do, and it started like you are walking. You have this rhythm of walking. The way I think I had these ideas for many years, that what I have experienced here, and it's really, and then also that when you have found a place like this, you know that it exists, and in some way, if you need, you could come here, or you know, because of this place. And my method for that is working, that when I do these site-specific works, I spend quite a lot of time in the place. I'm working with local materials, and then I make observation about the place and what is growing there and what kind it is, and also that when you do site-specific works in the landscape, it is a position, like where you sit. Is it comfortable? Is it cold? Is it, all these things comes quite important. Observation of the landscape, and finding private places and sort of nested places, that there are many layers in one places, but through this physical approach you find these layers. But after the walks that you have been experiencing the landscape, you come to studio and concentrate for hours for doing this. So it's in a way the same work you have done before. To me it was like a drawing. Yeah. I draw this shape, and also that I learn through that process. I learn the shape of this. In a way, my work is also like that, using the local materials and putting them in order, and they exist for a certain amount of time, and then they will disappear. I think this is isolated village, but it is very social life here. So mixing these two things is very interesting, and it is also the people who makes the place. It's not the landscape. It is a dialogue what they have, and what you learn. You look the people, how they live, how they, what they tell you about this place, about the plants, about what is growing. So I think that has been really fascinating.